What's up, guys? Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street in the High and Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Special unboxing look for you guys today. We're sticking with the NASA and space theme with the Nike Mars Yard Overshoe. Those are one of the most sought after shoes of 2019, and we have them right here at Stadium Goods. But say less of all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. So when it comes to the Mars Yard and the Tom Sachs shoes that have been available, the boxes are always very detailed on all of this with a lot of verbiage and writing throughout that pretty much gives you a description and breakdown of these shoes. So if we look here, you'll read Mars Yard Overshoe, which is the name of the shoe. Tom Sachs, 2018. Waterproof enough. So it's like a kind of like a little funny take on a phrase. So waterproof enough. Then we have here not waterproof, water resistant. It's a water resistant test is 100%. Static waterproof test is 100%. Waterproof flex test failed, and before failure, I don't know what all of this stuff means, but if you get the shoe, you can pick it up and read it. I know you guys give me a lot for making this a read along, but I'm gonna read through the rest of it. The back part reads, "There is no bad weather, only inappropriate clothing." I think that that's pretty funny. There is no bad weather, only inappropriate clothing. That's on the back. So on the front reads again, waterproof enough. And once again, the Mars Yard side is signed by Tom Sachs with the 2018. And as we open the box, finally, I know you guys want to get to these shoes. Another cool detail, which I think is the dopest quote on this entire box: "Theories are patterns without value. What counts is action." So always remember that. What counts is action. So shout out to Tom Sachs. Let's get to the inserts though. As you guys can see, the periodic table right here with all the elements that we have throughout. And then it reads a variety of different things. So once again, we touch on the elements. So hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, silicone, gold, and plutonium. You'll see plutonium throughout these shoes entirety, throughout whether it's the upper, the inserts. And then we also have more with the full rollout that you guys can see right here. And if you guys want to call out anything in the comments, please let me know. This is an extreme amount of detailing, so I can't go through everything, but it's also pretty cool. I'm gonna slide this to the side here. Also featured in this box are two insoles. One reads our solar system. So you see the solar system there, not to scale. And then we have the mesh sock liner. You guys will see right there. It's pretty similar on the other insole, which reads plutonium. Protons and neutrons we have there, and it has the bow tie. Kinda not necessarily telling you how to tie your sneakers, but just the bow tie detailing there. And let's get to these actual shoes, and please tell me what you guys think in the comments. But here we have the Nike Mars Yard Overshoe. So as you can see right off the back, this is a really detailed shoe with a lot of different layers. So this upper here features this bag, which is the Dyneema material. Dyneema is built for warmth, and also it's water resistant, not waterproof. But the actual Mars Yard 2.0 shoe is within this bag overlay. So if you pretty much, I'm sure you guys have seen on the internet with the guys that have sliced this up and cut down to the actual shoe. There's a whole entire shoe within the bag that you guys can see. It's pretty ill. This is also water resistant. It's water resistant, not waterproof. And that reads all over the box that I was alluding to earlier. But we have the tension cords that are there also to loosen and tighten up the Dyneema material bag on the upper. We have they're metallic, but they're also magnetic locks that you guys can see. I will pull this here, and you guys can loosen these right up. And if you wanted to fold these down per se, let's play with these a little bit. You want to fold them down so you guys can see under all of this, we have the tongue area with the red pull tab. Right behind that reads the Tom Sachs. This shoe is a material story all over this one. So we have the mesh right there in the tongue area, and we have the SFB midsole outsole. So this is kind of like a trail midsole outsole built for all weather patterns, of course, and it's NASA inspired, as you guys can see throughout. You'll see the periodic table, the elements, and of course we know Tom Sachs. So full outsole here. This left foot The only detail that's different, it features the swoosh that you guys can see here, swoosh that you see here, and the right foot features no swoosh. So the right foot of the shoe is swooshless, and the left foot on the outsole features the mini little swoosh you guys will see right here. And I'm gonna fold this one back up. This is one of the most sought after shoes of 2019, and as you can see, it's pretty ill. Like, it's different, but it's something that if you're fashion forward, I know you could pull these off. One more detail that I forgot to point out is the swoosh right there on the back tab, which you guys can see. Back tab of the shoe is blank, only the swoosh right there in the back corner. But I'll give you guys one last look at the Nike Mars Yard Overshoe 2.0. I've referenced 2019 a couple times in this video, but the shoe was actually designed in 2018, which is what reads on the box. So the shoe was designed in 2018, but of course it's released now in 2019. And you know we always have to pick one at the end. So, I mean, if I have to go, you know what? I might actually go towards these because I have seen the bag cut off and the underlay is actually pretty dope. These, I think are still really cool too, but if I'm going with the new age technology and if I chop these up, I think they'd be really fire. But we have these, along with these, available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. We certainly appreciate you. Please make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And last but not least, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything sneakers or Stadium Goods, visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salute.